Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, the question type which I am going to teach you now, this is very important question type in academic IELTS reading, and this is pick from a list, or we call it multiple choice, where you have to select 2 out of 6, sometimes 2 out of 5. This type of multiple choice is very important as well. So the questions are 33 and 34. That means you need to select 2 options. Choose 2 letters A to F. A to F means 6 options. Which 2 facts about chewing gum are mentioned? See that? Sometimes they say which 2 facts are true. But now they say which 2 facts about chewing gum are mentioned by the writer. How it is produced means production, manufacturing and all that. Variety of tastes it produces. Where it is most commonly manufactured. How the consumer market has changed. The fact that it can protect teeth. When it is best to chew it. So you need to see which 2 things are mentioned. For that you got to read it. Chewing gum is not considered a sophisticated pursuit. Munching on mastic tree sap was one of the less admirable habits of the ancient Greeks. The sight of people masticating open-mouthed on today's synthetic latex gum together with sticky encounters. Now see that synthetic latex gum. Synthetic latex gum, actually how it is produced, no, variety of tastes. Now see that they are talking about one brand, but they are not talking about variety of tastes, so it's not B at the moment so far. Then they say together with sticky encounters under seats explains why such enlightened places as Singapore banned the antisocial stuff. Means they banned it. How it is produced? No. Where it is most commonly manufactured? No. How the consumer market changed? No. The fact it can protect teeth? No. When it is best to chew it. Yet chewing gum has quietly come of age. Alright. Chewing gum has quietly come of age. No longer just for kids to blow bubbles with. It is becoming popular among adults. So no longer just for kids to blow bubbles with chewing gum. It is becoming popular among adults. So they say here how the consumer market has changed. Okay. Fact that it can protect teeth when it is best to chew. No. Let's go on. See that we read so much and we did not find any option. Now let's go on. They say it is becoming popular among adults to fight cavities. Wow. Cure ear infections and soothe an ulcer. Fight cavities. Where do we have cavities? In the teeth. So the fact that it can protect teeth. E is going to be the answer. There are 2 questions. So on your answer sheet there will be the blanks 33 and 34. For 33 you can write option E. Right? Okay, let's move on. And the evolution of chewing gum. Wow, they're talking about evolution of chewing gum from a sticky sweet voice into a nutraceutical, the fashionable term. So actually evolution means in the past it was only chewing gum, sticky sweet voice, but now it's got nutraceutical, the fashionable term for foods with medicinal properties is driving sales. So what is that? Evolution. So how it is produced? No. Variety? No. Where it is most commonly manufactured? No. How the consumer market has changed. Now at 2 points they mentioned. One is here, no longer just for kids to blow bubbles with, it is becoming popular among adults. So this tells us how consumer market has changed, number 1. Number 2, and the evolution of chewing gum from a sticky sweet. So that is why D is going to be the right answer. So F is not there. Now you can write F and then D, sorry, E and then D, or you can write your answer as D and then E. Both ways your answer is right on your answer sheet. Okay, that's it guys. So thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.